So we are in Pigeon Forge. We are going to go ride the longest zip line in the United States. It's like 1.1 miles long, something like that. So the family's getting ready and we are going to go ahead and ride a zip line. Well, made it to the wild side. That's pretty nice up there. You know, Holly's chickening out. You gonna let that 93-year-old ride before you do?
I am.
How's it? Oh, I guess that's a zip line right there. Right there. Yeah, so I guess we'll be flying right through there. Or coming down the hill. Any last words?
Oh yeah. Yeah, kitty practice.
Well,
Any last words?
right? Like,
I got one.
well, it looks aired up,
I'm
right?
the
But as soon
huckleberry.
as it
Yeah, any last words?
Huckleberry pie. Do we have to go up there and wait in the sun?
Yep. This is the test line.
Yep, that's the point. It's got you. Now you can lift your feet up off the ground. Harness has got you. Yeah, you can hold that however you like. You ready? You're gonna stop halfway down, all right? Zipping on two. All right, get your trolley out for you.
Which is also a good one.
Yeah.
You know, it's shorter drops,
Well,
but they do have the auto
survive the
delay to
practice.
lower you down, which is kind of fun.
Now we're gonna go right up to the top. Where's that?
They'll turn it on once you get
Next is the real deal.
Yeah, I'll turn it on when we get up there. That way the battery don't die. That's where we're going up there.
Do you have 12 more?
Just the whole tail was covered. You can't have the windshield open. Or no, you can't have it.
Be like,
closed.
that's not even
Then they get covered in dust.
Have one
Yeah, it'd be a whole lot worse without the gravel though. I get that.
Oh, yeah. A lot of work put into this shuttle road here. A lot of money. You guys all know we're a sister company of Anakista.
Oh yeah.
If any of y'all been to Anakista, same owners.
Yeah.
This is something they've been passionate about building for years now. And we just opened a year ago, June last year.
Oh, did you?
Zipline April 18th this year. So Zipline's 900.
Dang.
We developed on about a third of it. There's definitely more plans. These guys don't stop building. Whether it's here or Anakista, there's always some big project that they're working on. So we're all kind of curious what the next big thing's going to be here.
900 acres. Pretty good.
How many tractor sizes you got?
What's that?
How many side by sides you got?
Now probably over 20. So we got all Can-Ams. We got 6-seater Defenders, 4-seater Commanders, and 2-seater Mavericks. We got 4-seater Mavericks now too, turbos.
Dang.
So they're all guided tours. We do up to 8 guests, eight
bikes.
vehicles. Guest driving, of course. 2 drivers per vehicle if you want to swap out. And you got a guide in the front, guide in the back, full radio communication the entire tour. And we try to find a happy middle ground with the speed. Because some people have never driven one of those before. You got a lot of people that have full experience. But honestly, if you're doing 12, 15 miles per hour through our trails, it's pretty fast. They're technical. They're not high speed. They're technical.
We just grew up stupid. Hey, at least you grew up. Lots of folks don't make it.
The side by side.
Now, if you hit a bird or something,
Yeah.
that's the reality of it. Birds ain't on the line. Trolley gets jammed up where it's inoperable. We come down, we place the trolley on the line. Get you all the rest
You
of
just
the
hang there and let them change your pretty sure.
We're going to die. Jim first.
Run to Ray Rain.
Pretty high up. Scared again?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, my heart is racing like a racehorse. I can't believe we're doing
Imagine we paid to die.
Yeah, we paid to do this.
I rebuke that.
When in doubt, look fear in the eye.
The fearless.
Any last requests?
What?
Any last requests?
I didn't hear a word you said.
Dang.
I'm just.
It's a lot different than the backhoe.
Yeah.
Look.
You can like feel the difference in the air.
Yeah.
We're
Oh.
here next to God.
Alright, I'm getting a little nervous now.
I think we
A little nervous now.
It ain't bad. You feel like cold.
And here's the top of the building or whatever. Dang, we're going right down through there.
We're good. Zip ties on zip lines.
Hey, bro.
See everything up here.
Gotta make sure that yarn is
Why does that look like that?
So I'm just gonna send him and I'll send you right after. All right?
See you, Brock.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
There you go.
Good to go.
There goes Bobby.
He turned around.
Yeah.
1, go. All right. Doing it. Same if you're able to plant your feet. Yeah, just like that.
Ready, mommy?
Here we go. No, you're good. I got you set up to go.
Here we go, Grant.
2, 1. Longest zip line US. Do it. Pull that handle.
Pull the handle.
All of us going?
Yep.
Go,
Pull
go,
the handle.
pull it.
Go. Yeah, perfect. You have a good time?
Yeah, that's a
Awesome. Yeah, right? Hang on to this red rope. See, I can. Are you good?
Yep.
Yeah, cool. Did you have a good time?
Ah, man.
Eagles have landed.
That's a workout.
Alright, hang out right there. I'm gonna get him down and get both the trolleys in your bags. Zip on.
Get a good video.
I hope.
I hope so. 'Cause
Yep.
I'm doing that again.
5 minutes. Well, we survived. What do you think?
We did survive.
Did you do it again?
No, probably, yeah.
Hey, Bronx, would you do it again? Why not?
That was Fear Factor 101.
Where you from?
Oh, yeah.
More people with you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
You're very welcome. I have those videos.
Oh, yeah. Would you do it again?
Good.
Good.
Would you?
Yeah. Granny wouldn't though.
No. Glad I didn't do it.
Well,
Yeah, he screamed like a girl. I heard him. So,
That was fun. So if you want to ride the longest zip line in the United States, come to the Wild Side and Pigeon Forge. Definitely a lot of fun. It's like 2 or 3 minutes of this, like 50, 55 miles an hour. But that's gonna do it for this video. We're gonna go get something to eat, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button.